Hi Drastic Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute little pig inspired by Beanie Boos. So let's get started. To draw this little pig, we're going to first start by drawing its head. So I'm going to come here and draw a little curve at the top. So I'm basically aiming to draw a dumpling shape that I usually give to all my Drastic Cute characters. So I'm going to come down and go wider towards the cheek area. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring it together, so it's going to be a little bit flatter towards the bottom. From there, let's go ahead and draw the snout area. So I'm going to come towards the bottom in the center. So about right here, I'm going to draw oval. So I'm going to come right here in the center, draw a curve, and I'm going to round it off. So I'm going to come towards the bottom and connect it. There, my oval in, and then let's come above this oval, and we're just going to give it a little, make it a little bit thicker, give it some dimension. So I'm just going to draw a curve above this oval, and then let's draw the two ovals right here for the nostrils. So now to draw the eyes, I'm going to come right here really close to the snout area and draw a big circle. So I come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a really big circle. And same thing over here, so right next to the snout, all the way up. There. So then let's make them Drastic Cute eyes. So I'm coming here with two smaller circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you love Beanie Boos, please make sure to check out my Beanie Boos playlist. And if you love animals, please also make sure to check out my animals playlist. So there, now that we have that part colored in, let's come down here and draw the lines at the bottom. So it's the same thing on this side. Okay, so we have the eyes in. Let's come above the eye right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And then now let's go and draw the ears. So I'm going to come to about this edge, this area right here, and I'm going to start to draw ears, go up, curve, and then come down, give a little dip and out. And then bring it down and go all the way back up. So that's where you're aiming to draw, and then come in here and just draw another curve to complete the ear. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Let's just drag some points across. So approximately right there we're going to start, and let's go up. Once again, same thing, so about right there. Come down, give a little dip, out again, and I'm just going to kind of make sure I'm about right here. You don't want one ear too long. And then let's go back up again and in. And just like the other side, just come in about right here and add a curve. There. Now we have his little ears in. Let's draw the body. So we're gonna center the body, and so about right here, I'll give myself 2 points, nice and centered. And let's bring front legs in. So we're just going to down with a curve. And I'm going to keep bringing this curve down. And about right there, I'll stop and I'll come about in here and we're going to draw the front leg. So say about right here, I'm going to come and draw a curve and same thing over here. So we're aiming towards the center. From there, I'm going to come down with this curve. Just be aware of your center and then about right there, I'll curve it out. So same thing on this side. Just come towards the center and curve it out. And then let's go ahead and finish it. So bring this down and connect. And same thing over here. And let's come in here, some detail, just draw a curve right here. And you can add a little line right there in between. And then now the back legs. So look about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve, kind of angles down. And I'm just going to loop it back in, about right there. And let's draw a little curve right here to finish it off. And same thing on this side. So about right there. Once again, angle a little bit and bring it in towards this area. And once again, just add a little curve right here to finish it off. And that is pretty much it, except of course, we have to add a little heart here. So now it's my just so cute little pig from Beanie Boos. And let me add a little curve right here just to finish it. And so then now we're done. Let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you guys love how this cute little pig turned out and you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic Cute videos. See you later.